डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एलपीपी में ग्राफिकल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ लीनियर इनइक्वालिटीज इन टू वेरिएबल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, ax plus by greater than c and ax plus by less than equal to c. For solution of LPP, we need the graphical solution of linear inequalities. So now the some following steps for solving linear inequalities in two variables. Step 1. Convert the given inequations ax plus by greater than equal to c या ax plus by less than equal to c. These inequalities convert into ax plus by equal to c. Means that inequalities converted into equations form. So greater than equal to or less than equal to change into only equal to. And step 2, ax plus by equal to c. We need some solutions of ax plus by equal to c. We put y equal to 0 and solve, we get x. Similarly again, put x equal to 0 and we get y, and written as x comma y, x 0 then y something, if y 0 then x something. So step 1 में जो भी इनइक्वालिटीज के जो इक्वेशंस मिलेंगे उसको सबसे पहले इक्वल टू में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, एंड स्टेप 2 के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी इक्वेशन हमें प्रोवाइड होगा उस पर एक बार y इक्वल टू 0 रखेंगे और x के वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे, एंड एक बार x इक्वल टू 0 लेंगे और y के वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे, एंड उसको x by y, if x 0 then y something और y 0 then x something के फॉर्म पे लिखेंगे. एग्जाम्पल के लिए 3x plus 4y equal to 12. x y, if x equal to 0, अगर हम इस इक्वेशन में x 0 रखते हैं तो y का वैल्यू क्या होगा, तो उसके लिए आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो y मिलेगा 3. सिमिलरली y के जगह पे 0 रखेंगे तो x मिलेगा 4. स्टेप 3, ड्रॉ द लाइन इन ग्राफ. जो भी इक्वेशंस प्रोवाइड करेंगे उसके लाइन ग्राफ में ड्रॉ करेंगे. जैसे 3x plus 4y इक्वल टू 12. हमने इक्वेशन स्टेप 2 में ही उनके पॉइंट्स को सॉल्व किया था. x 0 तो y 3, y 0 तो x 4. तो कोऑर्डिनेट हो जाएगा फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट 0, 3, 0, 3. सेकेंड कोऑर्डिनेट इज 4, 0, 4, 0 and the line draw. So step 3 के according plot the line in the graph or draw the line in the graph. Next step, step 4, set the portion. After draw the line, next is set the portion. For this we use first toward the origin, if satisfy. Setting towards the origin If satisfy means after putting x0 and y0, if line satisfy, then we set toward the origin. Example, 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. Put x0, y0, we have 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 is less than equal to 12. 0 less than equal to 12 is satisfied. So we set it toward the origin. Here is origin, so towards the origin we set it. Also we noted by this arrow, means this line going to toward the origin. For further identify another line. Next, step 4, second part. First part is toward the origin. Second part is away from origin. If not satisfy. Not satisfy means after putting x0 and y0 in the equations, then we draw or we set the line away from the origin. For example, 3x plus 4y equal to greater than equal to 12. Put x0, y0, we have 0 greater than 12, greater than equal to 12, which is not satisfied or which is not true. Hence, the setting away from the origin. For example, the line 3x plus 4y greater than equal to 12 is setting. Here is here origin, then 2 away from the origin. Also, it is denoted by arrow for the identify line. Now, another example, the graphical solution of a line. First, 2x plus 5y greater than equal to 10. The first, let 2x plus 5y equal to 10 and put x0, then after solve y is 2. Put y0, after solve x is 5. Written is x by y, so 0 to 5 0. x0, then y is 2. Written is this form. If y0, then x5. Draw the line 2x plus 5y equal to 10 in this way. And for setting, we check it toward or away from origin. For set it portion, we put x0, y0 in the given original equation or question. After putting x0, y0, we have 0 is greater than equal to 10, which is false or not satisfied. So it is it is away from the origin. So set it away from the origin.